Using a fitness center can be lots of fun. It's important to stay healthy and fit. The first thing I need to do when I arrive is pay at the desk. There are several ways to pay. If I'm not sure, I can ask the person at the desk about my choices. After I pay, I should go into the change room. In the change room, I should change into my athletic clothing. This will mean clean athletic shoes, an athletic top, and athletic pants or shorts. I should not wear jeans or street shoes. I should lock my belongings in a locker. It's especially important to lock anything valuable, such as my wallet or my phone. When I go to the fitness center, it's good to have a workout plan. Usually a workout plan includes some cardio and some weight training. If I need help making a workout plan, I can ask my friends or family to help. I can also pay to hire a personal trainer to help me design a plan. When I have my workout plan, I can get started. There are a few things that are important to remember when using the fitness center. It's important not to talk to strangers when I'm in the fitness center. If I want, I can listen to music on my headphones. I should always clean equipment after I use it. There's usually a spray bottle and a towel or paper towels to wipe the machines after I've used them. I might have to wait for equipment if someone else is using it, but that's okay. I should not stand right next to the person while I wait. I should find something else to do while I'm waiting. If I have questions about how to use a specific piece of equipment, I can ask a weight room attendant. I should always remember that exercise can feel challenging, but it should not hurt. I should stop if the exercise feels painful. It's important that I always put equipment back where I found it after I'm done using it. When I'm finished my workout plan for the day, I should remember to get all my belongings. I might choose to change or shower at the fitness center. I can also choose to wait until I get home. I should remember that I will be sweaty and I might smell after working out. If I'm taking transit home, I should change before I leave. I should make sure that I have all my belongings and then I can leave the building the same way I came in. Using the fitness center can be fun. Working out helps to keep me healthy.